So for you, if you were to look back at where you started from, what would be the one thing that you would do differently?
The thing that I regret most is, and I see this happen with new people all the time, is you have to make sure you're aligning your debt to your expected business plan on your property. So if you're planning to go in there,
Yep.
bump rents and do that and sell in year three or something like that, don't get a 10-year loan with yield maintenance on it. And,
Mhm.
some of the assets that we bought early on, we planned to hold long term. And so we just went for the lowest interest rate, which meant that there would be a yield maintenance prepayment penalty. And
Mhm.
that has cost us a lot of money, and it can actually trap you in a property. And
Yeah.
so I would discourage you from doing that. You're going to save a few basis points on interest rate, but just don't do it. We only do step downs or fixed prepayment penalties so that we know exactly what we would owe if we would decide to sell, because you just don't know when plans are going to change, or frankly when some dumb money is going to come knocking the door and offer you something crazy and you just want
Mhm.
to take it. And so I think our lowest round trip return average annual to date is like 16%. That was the worst, and that would have been probably a 22 or 23 if we had not had a prepayment penalty.
Mhm.
That's really good advice.